Is this for real? Wow. Okay. What's up, it's Queenie here. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. If you're new, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below, and if you're not, thank you for coming back and joining me. So as you guys can hear from my voice, I'm a little bit sick. I'm a little stuffed up, so please excuse the way I sound right now. You know, I can't stay in bed all day, so here I am. So today's video, I'm going to be showing you something really cool. I got this hair from a company called Royal Me, which is a company I have reviewed before, so that's usually a good sign. That usually means I like them, and I usually like to use their hair again. So they were really great the first time, so I was open to trying a different type of hair, and now they have pre-styled wigs, and I was like, wait, what do you mean pre-styled? They're like, we're gonna send it to you already in a half up, half down style. I was like, how do you do that? Because honestly, I have a lot of trouble pulling my wigs into really nice styles, so I think they've done everything for me, so hopefully it makes my life a lot easier. So we're gonna take a look. It comes in a box like this, a nice little white box, textured, and so let's open it and see what it looks like. Okay. Okay, so it looks normal. Okay, so there's a little card on it about the company. Cool. Oh, and it shows, okay, I see. So they show you some of the pre-styled half up, half down trends, as it says. So there's the Kim Kardashian one. There is there's a Cardi B one, a Kylie one, and a Rihanna one. Ooh, I would love to try all of these. These are so cute. Wow. This looks amazing. Okay, well, let's take this out. I think I got the Cardi B one, so, okay. Can't even do it. Let me just mind my business. Ooh. Oh my God. Do you guys see this? Oh my gosh. The hairline? Do you guys? Yo. Is this for real? Wow. Okay. This is amazing. You know how good this would be for like a birthday or special event? You don't need to go to a stylist. You literally order one of these and you put it on your head. Can you guys see the beauty of this hairline? Look how nicely done it is. It's so gradual. I'm just going to put it on my head and see how it looks first. Oh my gosh. This is so cute. Oh, I'm in love. This looks amazing. Okay, so I'm just gonna cut off the lace and then work on sticking it down because wow. So this is what it looks like so far. I haven't secured anything and it looks amazing. Wow. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with some Got To Be Free spray and do the front section of this. So now I'm going to add a bit of powder to this side as well to just blend it in better. Alright, so I've pulled back and I have secured the whole wig. Honestly, I'm not the best at laying my wig when it's fully pulled back, but I have to say they've made it so easy for me, and it's not perfect, so that's something I need to continue working on because, I mean, it's not bad, it's not terrible, but I feel like maybe with a little bit of mousse and laying it down with a scarf it would be even better. But color wise and the thinness of this lace, it was not hard. So for this being my first time doing a pulled back style, I feel like it's honestly not bad. I feel like I'd wear this ponytail like right here. I was told that I could undo this and show you guys how it can be worn without, in case you were more interested in that or you wanted to see if this could be undone. So I'm going to try to undo this since we can see clearly. Oops. Oh shit. Oh, okay, so they just tied in a ponytail and wrapped it. Okay, so as you can see, it looks like they put an elastic on the hair. Oh. Oh my goodness, this hair, wow. What? Did you guys see the smoothness? Oh my gosh, like it flows like water. This is good quality, like this is nice. I have my straightening comb here and I'm going to use that to straighten the part down. So I'm using a wrap foam. This one is by Smooth and Shine. You can get a lot of different foams at the beauty supply store, so it doesn't necessarily have to be this one. I've never had a wig look like this, ever. Can you believe all my hair is under here? Like, it's laid. Okay, so I'm gonna leave the hair as it is. I think you guys can see how crazy beautiful this hair is. Royal me and you are friends. Like, this is the second time we've worked together and I'm always blown away. So this is the length of the hair. It's beautiful, it has volume, it's thick, and straight hair. Sometimes I feel like with straight hair you get kind of gypped when it comes to the volume of the hair. The hairline, impeccable. I don't even use that word. It's impeccable, okay? I am so shocked, and as I said, I usually am not able to do pulled up styles because it's a little hard for me because you have to be really good at laying your lace wig to do that, but I feel like I didn't do a bad job. It's not terrible. I took my time and I tried to do my best, and they made it so easy for me, so I cannot complain. And I will say I'm very impressed, and I'm sure you guys can see that. I have no words. I'm so happy. I feel like I'm stepping out of the salon. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you are looking for a amazing wig and you've been looking for a long time, honestly, stop looking. This is it. This is actually it. My henna looks terrible now. This is actually it. So that's all. If you're not on your way to the website right now, I don't know what you're doing. I'm actually on my way to buy more for my mom and my cousin because this is crazy. We need this for the wedding. This is actually, wow. Okay. I will see you beautiful people in the next one. Bye.